Good morning. It's 9:30. It's my day off, so I slept in. I'm trying to be quiet. We're making coffee. This coffee. We're trying to be quiet because my toddler is still sleeping. Good morning. We brushed the crazy hair just for a minute and it poofed on the one side. It'll go into some piggy tails after breakfast, right? Yeah. Yeah, the puppies are outside. Can you say hi? Maybe? Yeah, maybe later. Okay. I made overnight oats for breakfast this morning for both me and my husband. They're interesting. I've never had them before. And I made Chunky Monkey ones. So it's peanut butter, banana, and I put mini dark chocolate chips on it. It's not bad. I think what's throwing me is I've been eating warm oatmeal for 24 years and the cold oatmeal is kind of freaking me out. But Eleanor seems to like it, right? We put our piggy tail in, having some snacks for breakfast because we didn't want to eat regular breakfast, but 'tis the life of a toddler. Can you say hi? No?
Hi.
Hi, thank you. Yep, we're just drinking some coffee. I always use the zero sugar Italian. Well, not every single time this one, but I prefer the zero sugars. I also have a white chocolate mocha in my fridge, but I don't like that one as much. Hopefully today I'll be able to go out and enjoy some sunshine, maybe go for a walk with Miss Eleanor here. And then I have plans to go to the gym with my brother after, well, later tonight after my husband gets off work. So he's not off until 7. So I'll be going later, but that's okay. Right, ma'am?
Oh.
Oh, you're so cute. Okay, say bye. We'll see you in a while. Bye. All right, hi, welcome back. It's 2:35 and I'm making lunch. I've been drinking my Bomar melt throughout the day. Fruit punch flavor is my favorite. I've been drinking that. And I currently have, I'm in the middle of soft boiling an egg. And we're gonna make ramen with it because I really wanted ramen today. So it's in the calories, so we're gonna do it. So I'm having that, but not just that. I also have a salad. This is like 3 cups of iceberg lettuce with French and ranch, and then I have 3 snacking peppers. Currently boiling my egg over there. Ignore how messy it is. I will show you when I have the ramen and the egg done, but my entire meal is about 580 calories. It's under 600, and my entire breakfast was also under 600. So after this I have about 1,000 calories left, because my goal is 2,200 a day. But I am working out tonight as well, and I'm hoping to try and go for a walk. Yeah, and I'm hoping that we will make, I'm thinking we're gonna make flatbread pizzas tonight, because I'm really excited about it. I bought this and I saw someone else on TikTok try it and I really wanted to try it. It's with the lavish bread, and like there's 4 flatbreads in it, 6 grams of protein per serving and 60 calories, and it's half of a flatbread, so one full flatbread is 120 with 12 grams of protein. So I'm excited about that because I love pizza, but I hate how like greasy it is and like how it makes me feel afterwards. So I'm excited to give that one a try because it sounds really good. Anyway, my egg has boiled, and might have overcooked it a little bit, so it might be more medium boiled instead of soft boiled, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go put this in an ice bath and I'll be back. All right, so this is my lunch. I'm having the ramen, and it is a soft-boiled egg, and I put some green onions on it just to spruce it up a little bit. And then my salad, like I showed you before, with the peppers, and I put some green onions on that as well, just because I could. And yeah, so all of this is about 580 calories, and I'm gonna dig in. I'm just drinking regular water with it. But like, money shot, woo. Eat your vegetables, everyone.
Hi friends, it's 7:50 p.m. I went to the gym a little early. I did an hour workout. I did like 20 minutes of cardio on the treadmill. And then I did like 45 minutes of weightlifting. And then I had to go to Walmart to go get groceries because I need things, obviously, out of a whole bunch of shit. And you're gonna think I'm weird. Let me show you. I live for these. Ocean's Halo. This is the wasabi flavor. Literally my favorite. It's 20 calories for this, and it's like just a crispy little crunchy snack. I don't know. I was craving chips, and this works. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna make pizza with, I thought it was lavish bread. It might be lavash bread. I'm really not sure. So sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but yeah, I'm gonna go home, make some pizza, hang out with my husband, put my baby to bed. She's with my mother-in-law right now. Don't worry, she's not with me at the moment. I'm not a bad mom, I swear. And yeah. Anyway, I don't really have a whole lot to say, but I'll show you my pizza when I make it. Bye.
Pizza.
Okay, we have a super late night dessert. It's literally 10 o'clock. It's brownie batter baked oats, and I'm so excited to eat these. They look super good.
Okay, good morning. I wanted to just give a little rundown total of my day yesterday. So I wrote it out on my whiteboard here. So basically, my deficit is 2,200 calories a day, and I had 2,162 calories. I did do an hour of working out, so I did weight training, and that burned 572 calories, and I did some cardio, and that burned 190 calories. I don't eat those back. I just leave those as is. I don't even add those in to like my daily total. And when I weighed myself yesterday morning, I was at 272.4, and I weighed myself this morning and I was at 272.2. So I went down a little bit. But hey, that's not bad for just one day. Anyhow, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my vlog today, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I should put some green on, but I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And if you haven't already, follow my Instagram and my YouTube, obviously. I post on Instagram. Usually it's like every day. Sometimes I go a day or two without posting, but life of a toddler mom and busy working person, it's a mess, you know what it is. So anyway, yep, same name for everything, at Fat Girl Fitness, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, goodbye.